hello. I'd like the number for environmental health, please.
Good afternoon, Camden Environmental Health, Helen speaking. How can I help you?
Hello. I want to request for a noise recording of the building works being done to my property, please.
Being done to your property, madam?
Yes.
So you're having the building work done?
It's the council. I live in a council building, and the council are having the work done, and I live here.
Okay, well, you wouldn't be speaking to us. You would be speaking to a district housing office.
I've already spoken to the district housing office. I want somebody to come and measure the levels of noise that are happening on my balcony.
Okay, well, I mean, you can speak to the noise pollution officer on duty today and let them explain to you, but it's surely not going to be our department. But, I mean, speak to the noise
aren't you
pollution
environmental
officer.
health?
I'll transfer you. Let me see who's on duty.
Are you environmental health?
Yes, but we don't deal with council properties.
So who deals with the environmental health of council properties?
Yes, we don't deal.
Who does deal with the environmental health of council properties?
There is a department within the district housing office.
And what is their phone number?
I couldn't tell you offhand. You'd need to find that out from them.
And what are they called?
Well, environmental health. You can.
I asked to be put through to environmental health.
The person that used to work there, his name is Jim Jenkins.
Jim?
Jenkins.
Jim Jenkins.
Yes, so if you quote his name.
And that's environmental health, but you're environmental health, but this is the wrong environmental health.
No. We're environmental health, but we only deal with private residents.
Okay, I want environmental health for council housing.
Yeah, I'm going to transfer you back to your district housing office. You need to speak to them. So what is your postcode?
It's WC1N.
Okay, one moment. Services.
Hello, I'm trying to get through to the Environmental Health Department for council housing.
Okay, let me see if I can transfer you.
Could you tell me the number as well in case I need to ring them again?
So, but what were you ringing them for? Was it?
I need to speak to the environmental health people of council housing. But I'd like to write down their number in case I get lost in the process, because often you get lost being transferred. So I'd like you to give me their number and then I'd like you to transfer me.
Okay, if you just hold the line.
Good afternoon, Inspector Andrew speaking. May I help?
Yes, I'm trying to get through to environmental health for council housing.
Sorry?
I'm trying to get through to environmental health for council housing.
Yes, hold on, please. Camden Environmental Health. Please. Thank you for calling Camden Environmental Health. Please note that calls may be recorded for training and monitoring purposes. Please wait while we connect you to the advisor. Good afternoon, Camden Environmental Health. Anthony speaking. How can I help?
First of all, could I just have your direct number as well, because I had real trouble getting through to you?
It's
974
2090.
Sorry, what?
2090.
2090. And who am I speaking to? Anthony.
Yes.
Oh, okay, all right, thanks. I want somebody to come and measure the noise levels of the building work that's happening in my building.
Okay, the council
It's council.
You need to report it to the district council office. We don't deal with the council premises.
I've just been round this several times, and I've already spoken to somebody in environmental health who said that there's a special environmental health department for council housing. Sorry?
You just need to speak to the space officer.
But I need someone to come and measure the noise
We don't
levels.
do it for this department, madam. We only deal with private residents.
I've already spoken to you once. I spoke to a woman. She's put me through the whole system again and told me to speak to environmental health of council.
You need to speak to your space officer.
No, but I've already been round this once. I've already been on the phone for 10 minutes. Yeah, but what I'm saying is I'm getting transferred to the wrong department over and over again.
Environmental health is an enforcement department. We can't enforce notice upon ourselves because we don't deal with the actual complaints.
But all I want is the phone number of the right people to talk to. I already spoke to you.
Shout, please.
I'm not shouting.
You are shouting. You're shouting
I'm not
at me.
shouting.
Okay, you're not shouting at me. I'm only here to help you.
Yeah, and what I'm asking for is what is the number of the
I don't
people
know.
I want to
Take
speak
your
to.
postcode and I'll find out, okay?
Sorry?
I'm going to take your postcode and I'll find out.
Okay, but I've already been through this once. The woman took my postcode. She transferred me through the system to get to the environmental health for the council housing, and they have referred me back to you.
If you're not for environmental health, they're going to put you back to us. It's not environmental
But
health.
she said there's a separate department for council housing.
You need to speak to no, you just need to speak to the space officer. That's who you need to speak to.
And so they can send out people to measure the noise
Yeah,
levels.
what they can do. What is it? Is it building work or something?
Yes.
Pardon?
Yes, it's building work.
Where's it coming from?
It's coming from my balcony, from next door's balcony.
It's coming from next to is it private contractors or working
No.
there or?
No, it's contractors hired by the council.
Okay, so you need to speak to the district council office.
All right, so how do I get in touch with
I'm
them?
going to put